Hi fellow crafters, I'm Terry and I'm nuts about stamping. One of my goals for 2025 is to start making some scrapbook pages using all of the photos that I have gathered over the past several years. I don't know how I got out of scrapbooking because I really enjoy it. So today I'm going to show you a really fun page idea using some of the elements in the Autumn to Remember Scrapbooking Workshop Kit. However, my page layout is very different than the ones suggested in this kit. Would you like to see it? To help me make my scrapbook page, I'm going to be using several elements from the Autumn to Remember Scrapbooking Workshop Kit. I am thrilled to let you know that this kit is still available for purchase. However, it's on the last chance list, which means that once it's gone from the warehouse, it is gone for good. So if you like the elements in this kit, or if you'd like to see what else is available in the kit besides what I'm going to show you today, just let me know and I'm happy to send you a photo of everything that's in the kit for your consideration. So one of the 12 by 12 cardstock pieces is Old Olive and it's part of this kit. So I'm going to start off by stamping a heart down both sides, the right side and the left side of the scrapbook page. And the heart comes from the Documenting the Day stamp set. Now you haven't seen this yet because it's not available until the 7th of January, but it's part of Sale-a-bration. Sale-a-bration is Stampin' Up's biggest event of the year. For a purchase out of one of our catalogs, you get to choose from this mini catalog one or more products for free, depending on what your original purchase is. So to earn the Documenting the Day stamp set for free, you need to spend 70 euros in one of the two other catalogs that we have available for you. So I want my heart to be quite subtle, so I'm going to use my Versamark ink, which is a watermark ink, and I'm just going to randomly stamp the hearts down the side of the page. I'll go ahead and do that. It'll take me a few minutes, and then I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like. Hopefully you can see the hearts down each side of this page. If not, there'll be a photo over on my Facebook business page afterwards, and probably on Instagram as well, so that you can have a close-up view of what the page looks like. Now, the next thing I want to do is I want to take this leftover piece of Take to the Sky Designer Series paper, and I'm going to use my multi-purpose liquid glue, and I'm going to adhere that down, trying to keep sort of an equidistant border on either side of my Old Olive main page. This tag also comes from the Take to the Sky Designer Series paper. It's actually a large sheet and there's a variety of tags on it, so I chose this one and cut it out using my paper trimmer. And I'm going to use my Old Olive ink and the phrase from Documenting the Day stamp set that says, "Oh, what a." So I'll go ahead and do that, and I'll show you what it looks like. Isn't that cute? I kind of love it. Now what I want to do is I want to take the phrase day, and I've got a scrap piece of basic white, and I'm going to ink it up and stamp it down with Cajun Craze ink. All right, there we go. You can see that the ink is not completely covering the stamp, but that's okay. I don't mind that. It looks kind of aged to me. Now I'm going to take my paper snips and I'm going to cut out each letter. So I'm going to attach the "Oh, what a" tag at the top, and then I am going to adhere the day at the bottom. Hopefully you can see it. And I'm going to use mini Stampin' Dimensionals for the D, the A, and the Y, just to give it a little bit of visual interest on my scrapbook page. Now I want to start adding a few more elements to my page, and I have the Frosted Forest die pack, and I've got this tree here, and what I want to do is die cut 2 of them. Now I've put the adhesive sheet on the back of these 2 early espresso pieces because this actually die cuts out to be a very thin tree, and to put glue on it could make a mess on my page. So instead, I'll create a sticker. So I'll die cut these 2 trees out, and I'll be back to show you where they're going to sit on my page. Okay, here we go. I've got these 2 die cut, and this is where I would love your advice. Do you like 1 tree on either side, or do you like the trees, whoops, like that? So leave me a comment in the description box under this video and let me know where you would place the trees if this was your page. Now here's one of the sticker sheets that comes in the Autumn to Remember Scrapbooking Kit. And I'm kind of taken with these 2 long yellow and black kind of stickers, but they seem quite thick to me. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to bring in my paper trimmer, and I'm going to trim one of them in half and then use half of it on my page. And now it's time to think about photo placement before I start thinking about any other elements I want to add to my page. So I already know that one of my pictures is going to be a large size or a regular size. And then I'm going to have 2 smaller ones. So I think it's better to make this page idea without using photos, because I don't want to limit your imagination. So you can use this sort of as a scrapbook page map, and you can try this idea using what you have on hand. So I think my photos are going to be sort of like that. These 2 smaller photos where you see that they say 3 by 3, mine are actually smaller than that, but that's okay. So I'm going to adhere this large mat down, and I'm not going to adhere these 2, obviously, because I'm going to take them off and put my photos on when I have my page finished. So I'm going to do that next. Now I'm back to this sticker sheet, and I see a couple of fun elements here. I see this banner, so I'm going to peel that off. And I'm going to put a banner up here, like so. And then there is one that says getting some fresh air. So I'm going to add that next. Now there's this sticker as well that says can't get enough of this. And that is certainly me. I can't get enough of walking in a forest. So I've put getting some fresh air here. And I think what I'll do is I'll put can't get enough of this over here. And I think the last 2 elements I'm going to add to my page are these hearts. And then we'll take a look at what it's going to look like. I forgot about this. This is another set of like wood grain stickers that comes in the same Autumn to Remember pack. So I think I'm going to add a couple of these, and then we'll call it quits on this page. Back in a moment. And there we go. My page is done, except for the photos, which I will add after this video is over. What do you think? Is this something that you would like to try as well? If you would, I will leave the ordering number for the Autumn to Remember Scrapbooking Kit in the description box under this video. And then you're welcome to copy this page idea or take it and use it as a jumping off point for the products that you have at home. I'm Terry. I am nuts about stamping. I'll see you at the next video. Bye for now.